Oh, dang, oh, what that dang dang.
Abusia muka adwa safua. Yes. Ye papa safu kantanka ne baba no ahofawura. Yes. MPP fo eyi no pila ba kono no. Ababa owi ne ho nsam bibri ebai about parliament MPP okwayaresa okohwe ne ba hospital ne niam nsam bibri etwitwa ntogu no so mami bi te parliament yese ya adwa safua yese nya adwa safua yese onwa yese nya onwa nsam bibri ababa wa yankasa wambowa data no more power etino de ohun se okasa sabiu o mbetimi aye ne niam bia ensa fatento kana no tumu ema ye de yeto abawie ena ababa wa se da bia to abawie ne se alusu dia mia kra me mpaso so kra malusu enti mutumi ambetimi akọ radio to radio so akoto akokyera madwene ena ababa wa tisi market se obekọ kakra akyekere ne nsam na amofo agu no fi ha ye den akye nti afedia obes person ho obeyi no ho afi efinimu into start se okọ radio we no okọ radio we no okọ ha no akọ ha no mo kasa emeda krokwa wo sore se wokọ radio station bi na mo block no ana mo de credo ko to na pona no mo mentie nsam bi a okọ radio station ekọ kekaaye ana wo kaaye ansana ye den ye to yensa friend so mbla committee
one enye abatu ene ko opposite Professor Michael Kwe. There was more than two
from Momo side Omodoso. And you are saying that on record. Say Omodoso.
Monsieur Omodoso saying sir. Omodoso saying sir anye two.
And the MPC Cobra so mopa.
No mercy omobo because na consultations na there was so ekoso na ne omo dia omo pese omo edeba no anko ne santi na ebi mo asi omobo se yensu ye be ye ne ye pe. And to the extent that people were going to Mampenyi one-on-one. Yeah, they are drawing your evidence, your cameras. Move for camera now. It's me to no. I didn't know yes and I know. Munko famra me type metro no. Munko famra no. No more and a section of them too were defending. When a baba draw, if you won't go for be a Ukrainian, but there was no way me, Namin Kohongo come as a move. Minkoka. But me, Mrs. say. I was any pan who ni soon in a bang. I would dear Juma Shanensa. And in my time as deputy leader, NDC for credit me one dance.
As a deputy leader,
I worked as a leader of the house. Me yamu ye Juma. To the extent say, a drum may be crowned, me leader, to quite the next year Jamia. No one's through. Because when him say I'm competent, make me a Edwuma or the Benjamin.
Abusia, and somewhere na baba wan kwa kan you. NMPP for taji po no say here ura bra. Ye ne ye mpanifo no. Me akufa do baumia. Ene mpanifo bi akaka ho. Enti wa from your constitution enti ya twon de ahomaso na me ne ye twene no wo wiawia. E said de ne ko committee. Omumra omu constitution mmra enti omamma na krata se ombra committee embrambe yi no ho ano be 3 days ago to omde letter no kodu fi no woni okogem ena omde letter no e de man bodyguard se ande age na uma me ba fama no se ye hia no enimanimu ya ombe yi nsem bia no ye head office ababa won so apoponiti wodi nidi e de ma sampanifo we nyina afedi ade chenra ababa o so dware hye natale kama tina na car front ena na driver tina stay achi ena pu head office was time no kopie ho no ababa o kopie ho no ma obi ani committee dem ho obi ani office na ababa o say and the sadia me transfer twan omo what tenase komode na obi amba no se me driver jiska ko to aduane bra mindi driver no ko to aduane bra no odidi wie na nikum wose ko meka no mu hwachiro kata da ho yi bra mi no mu yi kata bra no wo da sa wo sorry ya mpenifo obi age ho obi amba no so what e de nkwasesem no no e de nsam hunu no no e de nsam fon no no Wose dabi mesoso my lawyer me lawyer da meso me kwan am so do mbefa so abusua mumientie emra ampanifo na amba adosafo atena wa emra wo kofi anso ntrofo be hia wonum na wodi na num asem edutudwa a kire ganafo se yesusu yemda mefa ne so mpensem mu kire omo a sabiu o metiase kakra mumienti na num asem ni bi.
For clarity, you may have heard, but officially you've not been notified.
I haven't heard. I got it yesterday, and I've been with my colleagues, lawyers in my law firm, trying to prepare to be here. So whatever you're talking about, I think that I should have been served. I haven't received any such notice.
Like you said, when you climb upstairs and there's nobody there, what are you going to do? Are you going to bounce back?
Let's not preempt. It's rather a premature question. It's moot at the moment. Let me get upstairs, see whether the committee members are there, if there's any other party official here to talk to me, if there's been a postponement or whatever. I don't know, but I've been summoned to appear.
Something that this process is
and you're going to be disciplined. That is exactly what a disciplinary committee hearing is for. So why ridicule me in public and come here and tell me that the committee is not even sitting? The message you send to the whole of Ghana is that I've done something untoward and I'm coming here to be disciplined. A senior member of this party, a former deputy majority leader, a former cabinet minister, a former minister of state, 3-term member of parliament, and this is how I'm ridiculed. Come and there's nobody there to sit because what the case is bogus or there's no finding of anything. So I thought that there was a better way of handling this matter.
You're disappointed?
They ought to be disappointed. I'm just appearing because I'm a law-abiding citizen. I know the Constitution inside out. Right. Both ordinary or haven't done anything unrelated. So was it done in rush? Or was it? I don't know.
Do you think there's no basis for the referral in the first place?
I can't say there's no basis. They know the reasons why they did what they did, and they can best answer it. I am saying that there's a presumption in the public against me that I've done something untoward about the party, and then the party constitution has been contravened. And that is why I, as a lawyer of 23 years standing, I'm here to prefer my rebuttal to all those presumptions made against me. But there's nobody here sitting.
Now they've not made the forum available to you. How do you seek to fight this presumption created in the minds of the public?
I'll just wait.
Your general...
And I don't expect my general secretary to say that. And I don't think he really said that. If he did, then he owes himself an explanation. But other than that, this really doesn't sit well with Ghanaians because the party is doing its own thing and this is a national issue. So if you think that there's an internal party issue that needs to be settled before a disciplinary committee, why do you then say is the disciplinary committee alone the whole NPP party? And so if there's a cocaine saga, everything might come to a standstill because I would take some of the media space. Probably, maybe they think I'm that popular, but I don't know.
Are you aware that the party is meeting today? Because your general secretary says you are meeting today, or the party is meeting today, and that is the agenda on board.
There's nobody upstairs. I just met one official. So I don't know about any other party meeting. I'm not part of it, so I won't be.
Na munim se committee na emba so mama melete ama se membra me di ni die obodi amamo aba na munim se emba so a sa mbra kwan no anso ene sese musan tro lete e de bremi se o ende ye committee ye mpanifo no ebi antimi amba ye mpanifo no sei o omo asese obehia omo no sabi omo kwaye adwuma bi party adwuma ninti omo kwa ha we kwa ha monsancho kata kama mbra no 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 so fa ni die nje no san plan so okay mate me mpanifo ene die eda mo baye ready bia no moto mo sa frame a me popomiti embeba na die nti no manya sa na mo ma me se memre me se madaje nkasa se me kwaye adwuma bi mo ma boycott me business bi me meeting bi aba be se memre wa ha enti eda moto mo sa frame no won so betabre ne nsam nyina go krata so a kire o mo meeting na se won so sabi wa ye lawyer ni bi onim kasa onim die so obekwa ne papa ho akwaji nimedie ene nyansa ni bi aka ho no de be hye sampanifo na omo bo committee no abusua hi QTV 24/7